What's going on, guys? It's Dave from Ghetto Van Adventures, and I have the most weirdest taste combination I think I've ever seen. I don't know if you guys can see this very well. It's a KitKat green tea. Can these things get any friggin' smaller? Okay, that's just a little rambling, but I looked at it and I'm going, I really didn't feel like, well, it looks kind of weird. So, snot colored. Oh, I hope it tastes better. Okay, I get a little bit of the green tea, and I get a little bit of the chocolate, which is weird. Seriously, it's not bad, but you can't fully get a chocolate taste, and you can't fully get the green tea taste. Give me a second, I'm going to try a couple more bites, and I'll get back to you. Okay, you know what? First thing is, it tastes better than it looks. So like, this looks like some, it actually looks like plastic. It does. Now, like I said, you get a little bit of the green tea, and I get a little bit of the chocolate. And they combine a little bit. So it's kind of a little bit of everything, which is nice because it's not overpowering one way, not overpowering the other. But I guess if you want, see, like there's a little green tea taste afterwards. I guess if you like green tea and you like chocolate, it's a good mix. Me, I would buy it again just for something different. Like I say, it tastes good. It's not a terrible chocolate bar. It's just, there's no overwhelming thing about it. It's good. Want a little something on the road? There you go. Why don't you give it a try out? Let me know what you think. See, after you finish eating, that's when I get the stronger green tea taste. And give it a try out if you see it, and let me know what you think. I think it's pretty good. It's just not, see, green tea. That's all I'm tasting right now. It's like I had a little cup of green tea. Yeah, try it out. Let me know what you think. I just spit that thing, half it. Let me know what you let me know what you think. If you like it, if you don't, why you don't like it. Check out the website www.ghettovanadventures.com. You guys take care and stay safe on the road. Later.
Hey Dave, I can't believe you ate that. That was awful looking. It looked almost like a piece of plastic comes out of a Lego set. You know, and who comes up with these flavors? Green tea? Who wants green tea in their chocolate bar? Like, come on, guys. Can't KitKat. That's just the most weirdest, disgusting thing I've ever seen. And kudos for you for trying it so I didn't have to. Because if that was my turn to do that, I wouldn't be trying that. Anyways, guys, have a good one.